Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the working codes in Plants vs Brainrots game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to redeem code, you can go to the shop menu right here, and then you're going to scroll down until you find rewards and go to the codes to redeem your rewards. Okay, the first code is stacks. You can type in like this, and then you will get a lucky potion, one lucky potion. I have already claimed this reward guys, so it says you already claimed this code. And the second one is frozen. From this code you will get one frost grenade. Again, I have already claimed this code. And then the third one is paste. Okay, and we will get coins. We will get cash. Okay, successfully claimed code. Okay, and those are the working codes in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox that you can redeem. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!